So this is another question where we're going to use general formula, but we are finding a coefficient of x minus 10. Okay, so coefficient of x minus 10, that means essentially it's like this. That means, right, I will be finding a number that is the numerator later. Okay, so let's explore this. And if you look at your A is a nice number. B is not a nice number. It's a negative fraction. So A is a nice number. B is a negative fraction. So this is where I got to use my indices. So it should be a minus 1 x to the power of minus 2. That means you see it this way. So this is the part that is x minus 2. So this is the power of your indices. So if you're confused by indices, you also find this very challenging. So after this, plug into the formula. Plug into the formula, you got 8r, you got A, and you got minus 1x minus 2. Now, if you put it in already, you realize that now this 2 actually doesn't have x, which is quite good. That's nice because it doesn't have x, so you just chuck it one side. No x. So this is the one with power r. Who will deserve the power r? Minus 1 and the x. So this turns out to be a very simple general formula because whole chunk here doesn't have x. And this is the only x, and this is the power of x. So remember, it is x versus no x. So if I would like the coefficient of x minus 10, that means the power is minus 10. Very logical. And your power is minus 2r. So your r is equal to 5. So what is the coefficient? Put it into the the part that has no x. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to put it here, and then I will punch calculator. Okay, I think this answer is wrong as well. You will not get this answer. You will be getting a minus 224. So what is the implication of having a minus 224? Okay, so let's look back at the implication. So I got it from r equal to 5. So that means the sixth term. Okay, take a look carefully. I got it from r equal to 5. That means the sixth term is the coefficient of x minus 10. That means, right, it will be minus 224 x minus 10. Then how does this look like? It looks like a fraction. So you change back the negative power. So it looks like a fraction. So this is just another use of general formula, but when it involves negative and it involves negative power, some people get confused.